Did you know that a 3 times a week pre-season proprioceptive training program can reduce the risk of suffering an ACL injury by 7 times? Or that neuromuscular training can reduce the risk of serious knee injuries by 3.5 times in female soccer players? An eccentric strengthening program for the hamstrings can reduce the risk of hamstring strain injuries by more than 50%. Players with poor aerobic fitness have a greater risk of injury compared with players with better developed aerobic fitness. High-speed running and sprint running in training can reduce the risk of injury by 88% and 64% respectively when compared with players who performed little sprint training. Or that players who participate in proprioception training have a nearly 90% reduced risk of suffering an ankle sprain compared with those that don't do proprioception training. Did you also know that your physical therapy specialist can not only help treat soccer injuries, but also help you prevent them from happening in the first place? If you play soccer regularly, contact us today to find out how we can help.